Do you know this is a spotlight eye makeup? Spotlight eye makeup makes your eyes look bigger and beautiful. If you are feeling dull, just try this Halo eye makeup or spotlight eye makeup and you will look so pretty and you will love your eye makeup. And the best part is it is very easy, and I will be sharing all the tips and tricks to achieve this look. Now to start Halo eye makeup, always go with a light eyeshadow. You do not want to start with a dark eyeshadow, otherwise you will end up looking like a black eye. So the trick is just take a blending brush and pick a little bit of light color from the palette. I am using Morphe palette. I don't remember, it's very basic colors, browns, orange and reds. So this is a very neutral brown color which has got a rusty shade in it, and I went in with a bigger blending brush in my outer corner and inner corner. But when I was blending it, I realized it's not giving me that precision, especially the precision we need for Halo eye makeup. So I went in with this small blending brush, and if you see, I'm picking the shade from the palette. A pro tip: tap off the excess from the brush on a palette or on a card so that it doesn't end up on your eyes and becomes patchy. Once you have packed the other darker shades, start to connect the two shades together. So basically outer corner, inner corner, blend it together to create a line in between them, just like a bridge, if you can see. And keep blending until the edges of the shadow are smoothened. So you don't want any harsh lines. If I say what do you mean by harsh lines, so you shouldn't be able to see a clear semicircle. It should be diffused. That's what I will say in non-technical term, harsh lines. So yeah, it should be diffused. So basically wherever you are seeing the shadow edges, it should be diffused. It should not have any lines which can show the shape. So once I've blended, then I'm going in with a lighter brown shade. I think this one was the first shade which I had used, and I'm putting this light shade in my crease. Now if I don't do that, my crease will be patchy. It will have a lot of colors and there will be no symmetry. So it's the same shade with which we started, and I'm just cleaning my crease by blending that shade. Now finally another darker shade, which is a black shade. You can definitely skip this step if you don't want many colors or if you think it's too technical, but I will be very honest, the black color brings out the beauty of this look because it's a bit darker shade and it gives that beautiful transition from dark to light, medium to lightest. Now after adding black, I'm blending the black, same way create a bridge and black blend together. Then I went in with the concealer. Now you can see what I am doing. I'm just packing the concealer on my lid and then closing my eyes and opening it, so it gives a light line. See the line up until where I have to blend my concealer. So with finger I'm trying to bring the concealer up towards that line, because this way I won't go over my crease and it will look nice when I open my eyes. So that's another trick, especially if you don't know how long your concealer should be for the center part. Then I went with this highlighter shade from Carnival XL Pro palette. This is beautiful champagne highlighter. It has got that beautiful silver and golden color, and I'm just packing it. You can't leave it like that because definitely you want to diffuse the edges. So I am using the same matte shade, whatever was left on my brush, and diffusing the edges. I am not diffusing with the lighter shade because if I use that champagne color to diffuse the edges, the shimmer will go all over my outer lid and inner lid and it will definitely not look Halo eye look. So it's very careful. It's very important to be careful with which shade you are using to diffuse your center concealer. Now in lower lash line also I'm following the same pattern where I'm using both shades darker in my outer corner and inner corner, and I'm leaving a gap in the center. That's how we will do the spotlight eye look. So basically I'm just using the same shades, blending in and out and diffusing the shades together with the upper lid as well. It's a good thing you just go and clean it up. And then I'm using the same concealer in the center. If you can see, this is why it's called spotlight, where we are using the same pattern of colors in upper lash and lower lash, and then just diffusing the edges of concealer. Went in with some kohl. If you want, you can use some nude eye pencil as well, but I thought it's a good way to use kohl, especially with the spotlight. And I'm using tattoo liner. I think this was shade Rich Berry, and I'm going in with my eyelash curler, and then after eyelash curler I'm going to apply mascara. I'm very lazy in applying mascara. I always end up getting mascara on my upper eyelid. I don't know. I think I need to work on that one. That's why I'm always very scared. So this is Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I think drugstores mascaras are all good. Usually Maybelline, L'Oreal. You don't need to invest in expensive ones. Although I like MAC Stack as well. Yeah. So this is my final look with lashes and some liner, especially to diffuse the lashes. I apply liner as a top coat. This I did offline, of course. I haven't recorded, but this is my final look. Hope you love it. Definitely I will see you in my next video. Do comment which look you want to see next. Otherwise, get a surprise. Subscribe.